Hello. Today I will take you to visit the cows on the farm and learn how the beef processing factory operates. Type 1 to join me on this exciting journey. Cow farms specialize in supplying large-scale markets with a minimum of around 1,000 cows. The farm is divided between beef cattle and dairy cows to maximize productivity. Beef cattle are raised for high-quality meat, while dairy cows provide a plentiful supply of milk to meet market demand. This dual approach allows the farm to maximize benefits from both types of cows. As a result, the farm not only satisfies domestic needs, but also exports to the global market. Hundreds of acres of grassland on the farm provide ample grazing space for livestock. Here, cows roam freely, absorbing natural vitamin D beneficial for their health. A modern automatic lawn watering system ensures the pasture remains lush and green at all times. The outdoor cow barn at the farm is straightforwardly designed with sturdy iron fences, creating an open and airy environment for the cows. The ample space allows the cows to move freely, reducing stress. This design not only saves on construction costs, but also provides optimal natural conditions for the healthy development of the cows. The Border Collie is a reliable four-legged companion for managing and safeguarding cows. With their innate herding instincts and intelligence, they effectively lead, control, and gather cows, minimizing the risk of them wandering or becoming separated from the herd. With thousands of cows, cow farms maintain vast grasslands spanning thousands of hectares as abundant food sources. The grass is harvested using specialized vehicles that can gather 20 to 25 tons of grass in just 1 hour, rolling it into large, easily transportable piles. According to farm staff, the cow barn is cleaned regularly, once a week. A clean environment reduces odors and prevents the growth of bacteria that can harm cows. They use excavators to gather cow dung and other waste. Cow breeding season is crucial, typically occurring in spring and fall. A cow is pregnant for approximately 9 months before calving. Each birth usually results in 1 to 2 calves. In rare cases, like in America, calves with 2 heads have been reported, a rare genetic anomaly in animals as explained by veterinarians. Do you find this interesting? Please reply with 1. On the factory line, cowhide is carefully processed to maintain the quality of the leather. Next, the beef moves to the portioning line, where workers use machines to process cows weighing hundreds of pounds. Large beef cuts are then transported to the cooling line to ensure freshness. After a day, experts assess the beef for quality. Beef continues through the portioning line. According to statements from factory staff, beef brisket is the best-selling product. This cut, located in the cow's rump, balances lean meat and fat harmoniously. The final step involves packaging to bring beef products to market. Each factory line employs between 10 to 20 workers, key to producing tons of beef per hour. The factory also utilizes advanced technology, including AI intelligence in beef processing. Simply press a button, and the machine will produce exquisite cuts of beef. Have you ever tried various types of beef? Do you know which one is the most expensive in the world? It's the famous Wagyu beef from Japan, renowned for its exceptional quality and unique flavor profile. Wagyu meat is prized for its tender, marbled fat that is evenly distributed within the muscle fibers. Often featured in upscale dishes like Wagyu steak, it offers a distinctively luxurious culinary experience. Welcome to the world of coconut milk enthusiasts. I'll guide you through the process of making delicious coconut milk. Please respond with 0 if this isn't your cup of tea. Farmers harvest thousands of coconuts from the orchard. The coconuts are collected in the processing area. Peeling the coconut requires only a sharp stake and 5 seconds to remove the shell. Once peeled, the coconuts undergo a smoothing process to extract the pulp easily. This coconut pulp is then transported to the processing factory to produce coconut milk. After processing, the coconut undergoes cleaning to remove impurities. The white coconut pulp is blended into shredded coconut. Next, it's transferred to a machine to create a coconut milk mixture. The coconut milk is heated to 100 degrees Celsius to eliminate bacteria. Finally, it is packaged for convenient use. Do you think the coconut's journey ends here? It doesn't. Coconut fiber is also recycled to make rope, a material we commonly use. First, coconut fibers are gathered from the factory. Then, the fibers are collected and placed in a blender to separate and remove unnecessary parts. Next, the yarn is machined, woven into long strands, and treated with natural chemicals to enhance durability and prevent decay. Finally, the fiber is wound into rolls for various applications such as ropes, carpets, and more. Coconut forests are a vital resource, supplying the primary raw materials for processing factories. Summer, typically from May to July, is the optimal time for coconut harvesting. The coconuts are then transported for distribution. Coconut is one of the world's significant oil crops. According to the Asia-Pacific Coconut Community, coconut is cultivated in 93 countries globally. Indonesia leads in coconut cultivation with 3.8 million hectares, followed by the Philippines with 3.2 million hectares, and Thailand with 2.6 million hectares. An organic darling that rivals coconut in popularity is soybeans, the star behind the cooking oil you reach for daily. Crafting soybean oil involves a meticulous process to guarantee top-notch quality. Once the oil is squeezed from the seeds, filtration steps in to banish impurities and lingering aromas. It's a multi-stage affair. Think sediment filtration, air sediment filtration, and chemical sediment filtration. Filters step up to tackle large particles and nasties, while chemical sorcery snatches away unwanted hues and tastes. Pristine, scentless oil, primed for all your culinary capers. The oil bottling process is a crucial step in prepping the product. Once the soybean essence is extracted, it heads to the bottling plant. Clean bottles, fresh from their scrub down, eagerly await their golden cargo. Ready to shine, these bottled beauties are then boxed up and shipped out to stores and savvy customers across the market.
The distribution of soybean oil extends far beyond the borders of China, reaching international markets. Transportation companies are poised to deliver this product to every corner of the globe, bringing exquisite flavor and high quality to everyday meals in households worldwide. Soybean oil isn't just a common cooking oil, it's an indispensable part of Chinese cuisine. After production and bottling, soybean oil finds its way onto shelves in retail stores and supermarkets everywhere. It's not just a fat source for dishes, but also a key ingredient in many traditional and modern recipes. From stir-fries, braises, and frying to soups and stews, soybean oil adds its distinctive flavor, enhancing the taste of Chinese dishes. Additionally, it's widely used in sauces, seasonings, and for frying, adding an extra dimension to everyday meals. Do you like this cooking oil? Please leave number 1. After meticulous screening, the sorted soybeans are transported to the oil pressing assembly line. Typically, soybeans are carried using specialized transport vehicles like trucks or containers to ensure safety and preserve their integrity. This process is handled with utmost care to ensure that the soybeans arrive at the factory maintaining their highest quality. Additionally, Precise planning of transportation timing and destinations is crucial to ensure a smooth and efficient production process. Catching scorpions requires caution and skill. First, locate their nests, often found in rock crevices, tree hollows, or beneath thick layers of soil. Use long tongs or sticks to pick up the scorpions, avoiding direct contact to prevent stings. Place them in a sealed plastic container for safety. This process demands dexterity and patience, ensuring you catch the scorpions without endangering yourself. The process of pressing soybean oil requires the support of modern machinery to produce large quantities efficiently. After thorough cleaning, the soybeans are finely ground. Next, the ground soybeans are cooked to soften them and facilitate easier oil separation. Once cooked, this mixture is fed into modern pressing machines. Under high pressure, soybean oil flows out, passing through fine filters to remove impurities. The resulting oil boasts a fresh yellow color, distinctive aroma, and excellent quality. The entire soybean oil pressing process demands not only technical expertise but also meticulousness and precision at every stage, ensuring the final product meets the highest standards of nutrition and food safety. Scorpions are invertebrates belonging to the Arachnida class, sharing the group with spiders and ticks. They are easily recognized by their curved tails tipped with venomous stingers, which they use for defense and hunting. While scorpions are commonly found in arid regions like deserts and grasslands, they can also be spotted in rainforests and mountainous areas. After processing soybean oil, the factory undergoes the delicate dance of waste management. Workers utilize state-of-the-art machinery to transport waste to designated areas for industrial waste collection and treatment. Adhering to strict standards in waste management ensures that the waste treatment process does not cause environmental pollution and complies with relevant legal regulations. On soybean farms, the growing environment demands nutrient-rich soil and a warm climate. Soybeans thrive in loamy or silty loam soil with good drainage capabilities. They also require ample sunlight and stable temperatures to flourish. Soybean growing regions are typically chosen in areas with hot, humid summers and regular rainfall. The environment needs to provide ideal conditions for robust soybean growth and high-quality bean production. During the fall harvest season, instead of manually picking soybeans as traditionally done, modern factories now apply advanced scientific techniques to soybean cultivation. Harvesting machines are designed to swiftly and efficiently gather soybeans, boosting productivity and reducing labor. Thanks to cutting-edge technology, these machines can automatically harvest soybeans, from cutting the plants to separating the beans. Machine harvesting not only cuts costs and time, but also preserves the quality of the soybeans, ensuring they'll be processed into high-quality cooking oil at the oil pressing factory. After harvesting, the soybeans undergo a sorting process to separate the beans from the pods and other impurities. This ensures that only clean and high-quality beans are used for oil production. Sorting the beans not only optimizes the production process, but also guarantees that the final soybean oil meets high-quality standards and market demands. Once cleaned, scorpions are delivered by farm owners to scorpion processing facilities in the quantities ordered. Each shipment can comprise thousands of scorpions, packed in specialized boxes with breathable holes to maintain their livelihood. These boxes are transported under suitable temperature and humidity conditions, ensuring the scorpions arrive in robust health. Upon arrival at the processing facilities, scorpions undergo a final inspection before being introduced into the processing line, ensuring the highest standards of food quality and safety. According to tradition in China, cockroaches are believed to contain compounds that can assist in alleviating bodily issues such as muscle pain or joint inflammation. Some believe that cockroach-infused liquor can improve blood circulation, reduce stress, and enhance heart health. However, these effects have yet to be scientifically substantiated, so I advise against DIY attempts at home. Scorpion skewers are the most popular dish consumed in China. Upon arrival from the farms, processors carefully wash and use skewer sticks for this task. They meticulously skewer the scorpions either from the body or the tail, ensuring they're evenly arranged on the skewers. This process must be carried out with precision to avoid damaging the scorpions while ensuring they remain intact and firm when grilled. If you're wary of this dish, drop a 0. The tastiest scorpions are fried and grilled in plenty of oil. China happens to be one of the world's biggest consumers of cooking oil. Now, are you curious about how Chinese cooking oil is produced? Don't wander off screen. Join me on this journey to explore the process of cultivating and manufacturing soybean oil at the factory. Drop a 1 to make sure you're all set. Beyond culinary purposes, the Chinese also utilize a significant quantity of Scorpio in traditional folk medicine applications, prompting farms to ensure a plentiful supply to meet demand. Initially, cockroaches are meticulously selected from the finest sources. Subsequently, they undergo a thorough soaking in carefully chosen high-quality alcohol, extracting valuable components. To ensure top-notch scorpions hit the market, their dietary regime also receives special attention. Being omnivorous creatures, scorpions munch on various foods depending on their species and habitat. Common scorpion delicacies include insects like flies, worms, and even other prey like moss, leaves, and, believe it or not, dead animal carcasses. Their dining habits are as diverse as their hunting skills, adapting to the richness of their living environment. Would you dare to feed scorpions? Drop a 1 if you're up for it. Once selected, the male and female scorpions are placed together in a shared space. This space must be sufficiently large to allow for their natural courtship behaviors. During this time, the male scorpion uses his pincers to grasp the female's pincers, initiating a unique mating dance. The male then guides the female to a spot where he deposits his sperm. This process can last from several hours to an entire day. The surrounding environment must be quiet and minimally disturbed to prevent stress, which could disrupt or even halt the mating process. After completion, the female carries the sperm to fertilize her eggs, starting a new reproductive cycle. By carefully controlling environmental factors and the natural behaviors of the scorpions, this breeding process ensures the successful increase in scorpion numbers, meeting the growing demand for these intriguing creatures. Thank you for watching. Your companionship is our joy and motivation to create engaging videos every day. If you enjoyed this video, leave a 1 in the comments section. Any mistakes you point out will help us improve the quality of each video. Now goodbye and see you in the next videos. Welcome to our channel, which is run by a pro team. First, the channel manager, content writer, And finally, the editor.